Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the very important opportunity for the freshers. And if you're 2024 and 2025 and 2026, then this video gonna important for you. So first important opportunity from Yuvasoft Technology Private Limited, and they are hiring for the following role, that is a full stack developer, Python, Django, Postgre, and both experience and freshers can apply. So if you're interested, you can share your resume to this or to this mail ID. Coming to next important opportunity, that is a very important and wonderful opportunity from the Cisco. They are hiring for the role of software engineer, and this is a hybrid role. So if you are interested for this role, you should apply. So this will be your responsibility. You will design, develop, test, debug code, contribute to development of new product, implement software module, develop HTTP and all those things. So minimum qualification, you should have a degree from the CSC and related fields, strong foundational knowledge in DSC and other things. And if you have some exposure to SQL or NoSQL database and done any hands-on project, then also we are good to go for this important opportunity. Coming to next important opportunity, and this is walk-in drive at Carerevenue, and booking date is 7/3/2026. So this is just announcement. So if you are near Kochi, then you can apply for that, and this is a vice process role. Coming to next important opportunity from the Criteo, and they are hiring for the role of software development engineer intern. So if you are 2026 pass out by, then you should apply for this, and this is hybrid job and fixed time interns in there. So who are you? You should have a current student at university or going any college. Okay, so this is a hybrid program. So if you want, you can apply. But next important opportunity for the role of associate software engineer, and company is this, and job description you can go through it. Okay, remember friends, I will provide all the job link in the description, from where you can directly apply for all these hiring. Okay, so you will be responsible to write clean, efficient, and well documented code, assist in developing, testing, and maintaining these things, and require skills, basic knowledge of programming language such as Java, Python, or this. And you should have knowledge of OOP concept, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and MySQL. Coming to next things, and before moving to next opportunity, friends, if you have been selected for any interview, then I will suggest you can fill our mock interview form. This will basically boost your confidence for the real interview. Okay, and we will also provide you dedicated feedback according to your skills, and we will also filter your resume if it have any issues. So if you're interested, you can fill our form. Coming to next important opportunity from the Rallient, and again for 2026 pass out by, this is a wonderful opportunity, and they are hiring for the role of intern, and job location is Bangalore. So you can go through job roles and description. So you should have done BTech, or you should be doing BTech in Triple EC, Instrumentation, CSC, Information Science, or ME Tech from the electronics or computer science related field. So अगर आप इससे कर रहे हैं, then you are eligible for this important opportunity. And requirement, you should have knowledge of programming language like C, C++, Java, Python, and basic knowledge of version control, Git, and familiarity with software development lifecycle, that is a SDLC. Okay, so if you also want these means if you want the notes of these all important topics, then you can also join our WhatsApp or Telegram study group. There I am sending free notes to all of you. So if you want, you can apply for this. Next important opportunity from the Meritshot, they are hiring the software development intern, and this is one of the good opportunity. You can say more than 300 applicants has already been applied for this. So what are the qualifications they are requiring? Strong knowledge of computer science and fundamental, proficiency in back-end development, ability to work collaboratively, and all those things. So if you're interested, you can apply, and this is a permanent job, and job role will be the software development engineer, that is the SDE. So hope informative to you. And friends, if you want to get a job update, then you can subscribe us. Okay, current TCS NQT hiring has been going on, and soon Cognizant and another company hiring will be announced. So whenever it will be announced, I will make a dedicated video on that. So if you have any query, feel free to ask her, and you can follow on our WhatsApp, or you can join our Telegram group, and you can follow on Instagram. So if you have query, feel free to ask. I'm here to help you. Thank you.